Welcome to our Mirror Healthy channel. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Please like and subscribe for more lessons like this one. Follow these proven ways to lose weight and boost your health. Hundreds of fad diets, weight loss programs and outright scams promise quick and easy weight loss. But the best way to lose weight and keep it off is to make lasting lifestyle changes. Here are 6 tips to help you start your weight loss journey. 1. Make sure you're ready. Long-term weight loss takes time and effort, so be sure that you're ready to eat healthy foods and become more active. Ask yourself the following questions. Do I have a strong desire to change habits to help me lose weight? Am I too distracted by other pressures? Do I use food to cope with stress? Am I ready to learn new ways to cope with stress? Do I need other support, either from friends or healthcare professionals to manage stress? Am I willing to change my eating habits? Am I willing to change my physical activity and exercise habits? Can I spend the time it takes to make these changes? 2. Find your inner drive. No one else can make you lose weight. You need to make diet and physical activity changes to help yourself. Make a list of reasons why weight loss is important to you. The list can help you stay inspired and focused. Maybe you want to boost your health or get in shape for a vacation. If you want to support from others, pick people who will inspire you. They should never shame you. It's best to find people who will. Listen to your concerns and feelings. Share your goal to lead a healthy lifestyle. Do active hobbies with you or help you make healthy menus. Your support group can help you stick to your healthy changes. If you prefer to keep your weight loss efforts private, take some steps to stay on course. Track your diet and exercise in a journal or an app. Also track your weight. Review your progress and make changes as needed. 3. Set goals you can reach. Aim to lose 0.5 to 1 kilogram a week over the long term. To do that, you'll need to burn about 500 to 750 calories more than you take in each day. Losing 5% of your current weight may be a good goal to start with. If you weigh 100 kilograms, that's 5 kilograms. Even this amount of weight loss can lower your risk of some long-term health conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. It can help to set 2 types of goals. The first type is called an action goal. You can list a healthy action that you'll use to lose weight. For instance, walk every day for 30 minutes is an action goal. The second type is called an outcome goal. You can list a healthy outcome that you aim to have. Lose 5 kilograms is an example of an outcome goal. An outcome goal is what you want to achieve. 4. Enjoy healthy foods. To lose weight, you need to lower the total calories you take in from food and drinks. But your meals can still be tasty and simple to make. One way that you can take in fewer calories is to eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These are known as plant-based foods. They're low in calories and high in fiber. Fiber helps you feel full. 5. Get active and stay active. You can lose weight without exercise, but it's harder to do. Regular physical activity helps burn off extra calories. Exercise has many other benefits. It can lift your mood, lower blood pressure, and help you sleep better. Exercise helps you keep off the weight that you lose too. Studies show that people who maintain their weight loss over the long term get regular physical activity. How many calories you burn depends on how often, how long, and how hard you exercise. One of the best ways to lose body fat is through steady aerobic exercise, such as brisk walking. Also aim to do strength training exercises at least twice a week. You could lift weights, use exercise bands, or do push-ups. 6. Change your mindset. It's not enough to eat healthy foods and exercise for just a few weeks or months. To keep off extra weight, you should make these healthy changes a way of life. Lifestyle changes start with taking an honest look at your eating patterns and daily. You'll likely have some setbacks on your weight loss journey, but don't give up after a setback. Simply start fresh the next day. Remember that you're planning to change your life. It won't happen all at once. Stick to your healthy lifestyle and the results will be well worth it. Please like and subscribe if our channel is helpful. Thank you for watching.